The 2019 Raptor 700R Special Edition. Had the big gun exhaust on it. EWR, just a slip on. I'm not trying to do nothing crazy with it. This thing's got plenty of power. I just wanted a little bit of better sound in it. It's pretty cool. Trying to see a cold start with this thing. Trying to see how she sounds. I don't want to wake up the neighbors too much. But it sounds just amazing. Can't wait to go to the trails with it. I'm trying to see how loud she is. Well, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit like, subscribe, and soon we'll make a video of the GTR on the lake once I get the ECU back and got everything plugged up in the impeller. And y'all gonna see. Thank you.